I guess when we first set out to make Hi, Rain and Papa, we all had different ideas and directions we wanted to take the project, but in the end, there were a lot of things that were a little bit difficult to work with, and some were some good times. So eventually, we made it, and I'm proud of what we put together.
Have you ever worked with Joe? Yeah. I've worked with him with a little.
On the first day of filming, everybody had a chance to get together, introduce themselves. I wasn't too sure how familiar they were with each other and what other films they had worked with, but Violet was a tough one to come around at first. She had recently gone through some troubles. A lot of her, story was in the media and the tabloids, and she wasn't too comfortable with the group just yet.
So, I guess it all began for me when Papa sent an email saying that he had a video for Anna. And ultimately what the video was Rain saying, "Hi, I can't wait to see you."
Hi.
Anna. And that's when Hi, Papa and Rain was born. I originally imagined this film or this project to be kind of an epic kind of exploration of the soul, kind of like a four-dimensional travel through time piece. And what it ended up being was more of a dramatic interpretation of a little girl saying hi back to her cousin. Okay, this is Joaquin Cordova auditioning for the part of Anna. All right, so the line is you're gonna say Papa and lift the basket, okay? Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
Mama.
Oh my. All right, this is Gus Cordova auditioning for the part of Anna, our star. All right, the line is Papa and then you lift the basket. Whenever you're ready.
Uncle Grandpa.
Uncle Grandpa. Okay, this is Anna Cordova auditioning for the role of Anna in Hi, Rain and Papa. Have you ever worked in a film that has scenes outdoors?
No, I don't think I have.
Okay. Have you ever worked in a film where it requires you to roller skate, or do you have any roller skating experience?
I do have roller skating experience, and no, I have never done a film where it required me to roller skate.
Okay, sure. Now I understand you have a song prepared for us?
Yes, I do.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
A, B, C.
This is Violet Cordova auditioning for the role of Anna, doing the how scene. Whenever you're ready.
How?
Perfect. Now auditioning for the role of Violet, doing the scene where she dances at the end of the movie, is Joaquin Cordova. Whenever you're ready. Now auditioning for the role of Violet, doing the dancing scene, is Anna Cordova. Whenever you're ready. I'm not seeing this. All right, thank you very much. We've seen enough. Working on the set was difficult. You could say we had too many prima donnas on the set. We had too many people that wanted to be the star. Casting was very difficult. We had a lot of talent. When we originally casted. I mean, Joaquin wanted to play Anna. Anna wanted to play Violet. Gus wanted to play Anna. It just kind of on and on. Okay, Anna, we're going to be doing the scene where you say "and." On my cue, action. And that was perfect. All right, let's go ahead.
I'm ready for my scene.
Wait, if you're there, then who are you? Were you upset that you didn't get the role of Anna?
Yes, I am the perfect Anna. And the person who played Anna was terrible. Just horrible.
Ultimately, what we had to go with, I feel good with what we went with. All right, this is the house scene. Stuntman in place and action.
How?
Cut. All right, try it again. Remember, you're rubbing your chin. Look down and action.
How?
No, cut. It's the hand on your chin. Hand on your chin, okay. And action.
How?
Well, all right, Anna, go ahead and take your spot. Head up, hand on your chin.
What do I do? Like
Head up,
funny?
hand on your chin.
Okay.
Head up, hand on your chin. Hand on your chin. And action.
How?
Scene, cut.
We used Joaquin for a lot of the stunt work. For example, in this particular scene, in one of the opening scenes where Anna says Papa and Gus is sitting in the basket and he says this, Joaquin was in the basket doing a little bit of stunt work for us. You know, he was a trooper. He had a lot of good, spirits. We asked him to do a lot of things that I can only imagine his agent would not have let us do had he known about it.
Okay, this is an important scene for the movie, okay? And as our stuntman, you're gonna be perfect. What you're gonna do is you're gonna jump off the roof, land, I'll say cut, and then we'll have Anna come in and she'll say is. Are you ready? Can you do that? Okay, ready?
You're gonna catch him.
And turn around and jump over there. Action! All right, that was a perfect jump. Let's cut that. Joaquin, you good? Joaquin? All right, we're gonna bring Anna in now for the is scene. Okay, everybody? Joaquin, hello? Joaquin? Joaquin? Joaquin, you good? Hey, we're gonna need the medic. Bring the medic in. All right, bring the medic in.
Should I get medic?
Yeah. I do feel a little bad for Joaquin when he broke his arm, his legs, and pretty much every other bone in his body. You know, he was unconscious for 3 days. He was in the hospital for a while. In fact, there's a pending lawsuit currently happening with Joaquin and the whole accident there. I should have had my actors sign waiver forms. Can you walk us through the jumping off the roof scene?
I think I was terrified that I might break all my bones in my body, and I thought it was a dumb idea.
And can you tell us what the doctor said or what the diagnosis was?
I broke my arm and my foot.
Oh, okay. And do you like being a stuntman, or is it kind of hard on you?
I think it's hard on me, and I don't like being a stuntman.
Did you know that in the final edits they didn't even use the jumping off the roof scene? Alright, so in this scene, guys, you're going to mouth the word you, and you're going to say you. Do you guys understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So don't be in the scene. Okay. I'm going to see, where are we at here? Okay, I like that. Alright, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Action.
Salamander.
Oh, cut! Alright. The word is you. The word is
okay.
you.
You.
Okay. You were
Okay,
perfect.
okay.
You were perfect. You were perfect. Just like that. Just like that. All right. Are we rolling? We're still rolling? I need you sitting. I need you sitting. Oh, there he is. All right. And the word is you.
You.
Take 2. Action.
Elephant.
Cut. All right. Let's just roll through a bunch. We're going to roll through a bunch of these, okay? You're just going to say you a bunch of times. We're going to get this right. We're going to get this right. All right. Am I rolling good? All right. How's the seat? How's it look? How's it look? Okay, we're gonna roll through a bunch of them, okay? Take 3, action.
Milkshake. Ice cream.
Again,
Jet airplane.
again.
Wooden planks. You.
There it is. Cut, we got that?
A lot of hurdles. For example, our microphone was a broom. In fact, it wasn't even a microphone. So, a lot of challenges.
Was it hard working with the director, Joe Cordova, on this project?
It was very hard. He's constantly yelling at us. It's hard to work with him, Joe, because he is mean to me. Joe is really hard to work with because he's loud, he's rude, he's smelly, he yells at us.
Anna in the shower, scene, take 1, action.
I forgot my line.
How can you forget the line? It's such an easy line. Roll it again. Oh. And action.
Oops.
Again!
Sorry.
Oh, I can't take it anymore. Why do I have such incompetent people on this project? Ah! That's it. That's lunch. But anyway, so the show went on. People were restless. People were really antsy to get the show moving. I had a difficult time working with the cast. You could say I lost my temper now and then, but I'm a perfectionist. I mean, I'm not going to apologize for being a perfectionist. There was one particular scene in the shower where the line was make, or, I don't even remember what the line was now, and Anna couldn't get it right. I punched a hole through the wall. Overall, yeah, we may have had our differences at the beginning, but I think we came together as a group at the end. Nobody had a problem with each other. I don't feel like anyone had a problem with me. I felt nothing but respect. They had nothing but wonderful things to say about me on the set.
Joe is very hard to work with. He's loud, and if you can ask all of my other cast, he smells really, really bad. Did I mention he's smelly?
So in this scene, everything all right? You feeling okay?
Yeah,
okay?
everything's
Okay.
fine.
So what I want from you in this scene, so Joaquin, why don't you come on over here? Why don't you guys switch spots for a little bit, okay? Now, in this stunt, okay, are you guys all feeling okay?
Yeah, we're all
okay?
fine.
Okay, buddy? Okay.
Everything.
Okay. Gus, can I get you over here? I'm going to tell you guys both okay. Later on, you know the scene where you're doing, no, okay. What's going on? Everyone's okay? Guys,
Yeah, we're all fine.
what's going on?
Where's my other roller skate? Joaquin, you're holding mine.
All right, finally we're done. Job well done, guys. Cheers. All right. Wait a sec, give me these. Good job, guys. Cheers. Much better.
Happy birthday to me.
Action.
Gus must have been here already.
It was a low-budget film. I don't like doing low-budget films. We were somewhere in the $1 to $1.5 million range in making this film. We filmed it on location in Miami, Florida. Ultimately, I'm gonna say it was a success. It was a successful film, and I stand by my work, and that's that. So, yeah.